Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the double crochet herringbone stitch. For this stitch, your beginning chain can be any number of chains. So I just have a couple chains here and I am going to yarn over and we are going to start into the third chain from the hook. It's 1, 2, 3, so we'll start here. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then also pull through one of the loops on your hook. And then we're going to yarn over again, pull through one, and then yarn over and pull through two. So that is the herringbone stitch. So again, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through the chain and one loop on our hook, yarn over again, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. So again, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through one of the loops, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. So just be sure that your tension is pretty loose or use a bigger sized hook, because after pulling through the chain, it can get difficult to pull through this first loop if everything is too tight. So make sure to have a loose tension so you can pull through that loop and then pull through one and then pull through two. So this is basically just a different version of a double crochet. You just have one more step in it. And then here I come to my last chain. And then to start my rows, I'm just going to chain two and I'm going to work into that very first stitch. And then you will start to see the pattern once you work more and more rows. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.